You guys would not believe how I put eyeshadow on. You're going to flip out and then you're going to be like, "Oh my god, like how did she learn how to do that? Blah 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 this and that." But you know what? If you're in a hurry and such and you need to hurry up and you don't have no time for freaking brushes. Hi guys, welcome. I hope you guys are doing very very good because today what we are going to do is how to learn how to do eyeshadows with no brushes. If you want to know how to do eyeshadows with no brushes and such, make sure you stick around. And if you are new here, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. All right, you guys ready? So here we go. I already have this eye done right here, and we are going to go ahead and do this one. So what I'm going to start off with is the Color Tattoo 24 Hour. It's in Too Cold, that is the shade from Maybelline, and that's what I am going to start with. I know you guys aren't going to believe this, but I used to do my makeup like this all the time. So you can ask anybody if they've seen me do it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start with, I usually go on the inner corner and I just start going in and doing my shade white. And then I just keep going and just keep going and kind of like spread it like that. Hopefully you can see this on the camera. So we're going to spread it like the devil that we are. And like I said, if you are like in a hurry to do your makeup and such, and you do not have your brushes or any type of tool, try doing this for several years because I've done this for several years and I'm actually a professional at this. I'm just saying, almost to that point where you just kind of like put it on there like so. So that's how we start off with. How's it look so far, guys? All right. And then after that, I usually go in with my Bella Pierre. That is the shade Snowflake, and it is a white pigment powder. And this is like has been my very best friend ever since. I mean, look at it. It is like so shimmery, but a powder at the same time. So I will go ahead and go in with this. So really, with the eyeshadow that I just put on, that 24-hour tattoo eyeshadow that I just put on, it actually makes the powder shadows stick to it really good. I mean, you want to get a little extra on your pigment freaking runway, I would definitely purchase this because as you can see, I have a quite amount. Anyways, what we're going to do next is I'm going to take my Scandaleyes eyeliner. You just take your any eyeliner that you have, and mine is the Scandaleyes from Rimmel London. It is 001 Black. I like to do this, and if you guys know what I'm talking about, no need to explain. I'm going to go ahead and use my e.l.f. liquid liner that I love using. It is in the shade Jet Black. I know what you're saying. Wait, where is the other eyeshadow color? I will show you here in a second. So we're going to go ahead and start with a black eyeliner, however you want to do your eyeliner. And just go with it. Hopefully this wing is going to match the other wing, or some bird is going to get it. Alright, and I usually kind of like go underneath my lash line under there. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and just, you know, start doing our wing how we want. I am not a perfectionist at this. Just kidding. I have done this in my sleep. How does that look, guys? Okay, now we are going to go ahead and go with this palette here. This is Hard Candy Matte Eyeshadow Pro Palette, and I've used this many times. So I'm going to go in with the color black. I've always gone with this color black. Go inside the corner of your eye and do not put that much eyeshadow on your pinky because you will have a lot of potencies going on. And then usually when I go inside the corner of my eye, I kind of go a little bit above it and then try and follow your crease line. Just a little bit. And then if you need a little bit more, go ahead and grab some more, which I kind of do like a little bit more of the black. And then so as you're putting this on your eye, you can go ahead and spread it out just a little bit. You don't want to go too far with this. And then I kind of like, I'm blending with my fingers. This blend, blend, blend. And I'm going to grab a little bit more just to add a little bit more color. Then just kind of blend it up here. Use what I'm doing is using the very tip, the highest part of my pinky. So you can create this smoky-ish look. And I'm telling you what, I've learned how to do this when I was going to work and I didn't want to wake up every single morning just to rush myself going to work. And oh, I'm sorry, I didn't show you the black color. Geez, what am I doing? Okay, the color that I was using is this one here on this palette, on the Hard Candy palette. So I'm going to go ahead and dip my pinky again and go underneath my eyelashes, kind of like so. You can blend however much you want. It doesn't matter. If you want to go deep, girl. Let's go deep with the other eye, actually, because I kind of like a little bit more oomph to that. How does it look? Now, the last thing what we are going to do is I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes before we go in with some mascara. Done. All right. So the mascara that I'm using is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara that I so adore. It is in the shade Black. It is very pointy on, hopefully you saw that. But yeah, just go ahead and put some mascara on like so, and everybody is going to be happy. Then you put some on the bottom. All right, and we are done, guys. We are so done. I told you this wasn't gonna be long. I'm so sorry, but I didn't put the eyelashes on, that way you guys can see what it looked like before I put the makeup on and such and whatnot. But anyways, I used to do this look all the time, going to work every single day and use my pinkies. If you are mind blown, have at it, girl. boy. What do you guys think? I hope you guys like it. Hope to see you guys later. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. Love you. Bye bye.